Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Pad 5 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select System and Update, and here you will notice Backup and Reset. Just click to open and mark Google account. And now if you want to activate Google Backup on this device, just click on Turn On and then confirm for which data you wish to have this backup active. It can be activated just for photos and videos or just for other device data, but obviously I do recommend to backup both. Then just mark confirm and that's it. If you are not logged in with your account yet, with your Google account yet, you will have to provide email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account, along with the password. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.